Ito mangyayari sa'yo kapag nawalan ka na ng collagen at ng hyaluronic acid sa iyong katawan. Dati ang takot ko, yung mamatay na matanda. But then when I got married, since all this look yung ating gustong ma-achieve, I am going to use a bit darker shade of foundation than my natural skin tone. Used this one before. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Liquid Foundation, and this is a full coverage, long wear, matte finish, waterproof, and oil-free foundation. But then again, as I have said, nagamit ko na to one, so I know that this one oxidizes. So this is how it looks. Ang ganda nung battle, ang funky. Pero, yun. Even sa mga reviews na nabasa ko, nag-oxidize talaga siya. And I wanted to give it a try, so I bought this. And I got this from Sephora, which cost me 198 dirhams, if I'm not mistaken. More likely ganun. Ayan. Runny siya, as you can see. Nagdi-drip siya dito sa aking likod ng kamay. So, ayun, mga 30 minutes ko pa lang siyang nagamit before. And then, nag-oxidize kagad siya. So, this is fine with me kasi as you age, nagiging dark naman talaga yung ating skin tone due to different factors and many factors like sun exposure, your skin routine. So, maraming factors kung bakit nagiging dark yung ating skin tone when we reach certain spot ng ating pagmamature. By the way, already moisturized and primed my face, and for moisturizer, I used this Cetaphil jar. Now that we have the foundation, we are going to set this face. And guys, hindi na natin kailangan mag-concealer kasi since ang ina-achieve naman nating look ay para magmukhang matanda. So, why use concealer pa, diba? So, just set the whole face para hindi mag-cake yung ating mukha. Para sa ating mata, so I'll be using this Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Palette. And I'm going to get this shade right here. Itong katabi ng black. You don't have to do this perfectly kasi hindi mo naman kailangan maging glamorosang matanda. Ang i-achieve natin ay matanda look lang, but not glamorous. And now, with the same palette, kukuha tayo nitong dark brown right here para sa ating magiging wrinkle. itsura mo kapag hindi ka nagpa-botox at tumanda ka ng mga 105 years old. Tapos, hindi mo kilala yung botox. And of course, we are going to do that also dito sa ating nasolabial fold. Ng under eye filler para dito, bes. Ito mangyayari sa'yo kapag nawalan ka na ng collagen at ng hyaluronic acid sa iyong katawan. For those wrinkles to pop out, kailangan natin ng highlighter. The basic rule is that whenever there is a contour, a bronzer, or something brown, meron tayo dapat highlight. Or anything white or creamy or bone shade of eyeshadow. So that's why I'm going to get this white here. Guys, dati ang takot ko yung mamatay na matanda. But then when I got married, nagbago ang lahat. Oh my God, I was so ready. I am still ready to get old na magkasama kami ni Balbon. Sabi ko na ngayon kay Balbon, kahit matanda na ako, gusto ko pa rin magkasama kami. So, ganun talaga yung love, I think. It really changes you. It changes your perception into life, into love, sa lahat ng aspect ng buhay. Mababago niya. For this look, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye. Nagutom ako.